We are PROram, Constructive Mentality, shaping the industrial future. Visit our website for further information and request quotation. Hello. Thank you for being with us and watching this video. It is part of our series about PolyWorks software. You will learn many practical tips on how to use the software to achieve your goals or simply improve your work. We encourage you to like the video and subscribe to our channel to do not miss further useful information. We also invite you to leave your comment about this material. We are open to any suggestions. The content and services we create for you. Quality decisions get faster when inspection is predictable, and predictable means repeatable. When measuring a simple CAD part with basic geometry, you don't want to rebuild your workflow for every piece. That's where piece templates step in, capturing your inspection logic once and reusing it across an entire batch of parts. Let's use a reference part measured by contact probe with either a tactile measuring arm, SMR, or probe on a laser tracker. Device type doesn't change the logic. The workflow stays identical. I go to the Home tab and click New Template from the Piece group. PolyWorks captured everything while I was preparing and measuring this piece. Feature definitions, geometry controls, alignment steps, report layout, and all linked actions. Now, instead of setting up each step in the measuring program manually, I create a new piece template from the current piece and link all previously measured parts because I know they were measured using the same sequence. Creating a new piece from this template, the full structure loads instantly. Same features, same controls, same alignment rules. No repetition, no inconsistency, and no possibility of changing the requirements by mistake. Let's say the requirements change, a new tolerance, another GD&T requirement, or modified alignment. I open the template, update it once, and choose Propagate Changes. PolyWorks pushes those updates to all template-linked measured pieces in the project. No rebuilding, no manual edits, no risk of mismatch in serial inspection, fast, controlled, reliable. When the batch is measured and all template-linked pieces are updated, the results report, including visuals, snapshot views, or tables, is updated as well. Let's check piece by piece. Clear, traceable, instantly readable for engineering and production teams. This is exactly how inspections are handled when scale, consistency, and speed matter. With PolyWorks Inspector, serial measurements stop being repetitive. They become smart. And this is why companies like PROram AS rely on PolyWorks in critical measurement projects. Faster setup, automated updates, trusted results, real cost reduction. If you'd like to go even deeper into automation with macros, drop a comment. We'll build that video if you want it. Thank you for watching. We encourage you to visit our website and read more about us.